go to the bottom of the screen and click on the little icon, the little paper bag here. It says Store. You're going to click on Store. And these are all the products that Microsoft has on their server. You're going to go up to the search bar and you're going to type in Collage. Collage. When you type in Collage, there'll be a list of products that will say Collage, Pick Collage, Phototastic Collage. So you're going to click on one of these collages. So I'm going to go on Phototastic. Now, when you go to Collage, it will say Get Free, but it will also say Offers in-app purchases. That means they're going to charge you for any extras. So you may want to click on another type of collage. Okay, these I've downloaded. So you may want to click on another collage, okay, that doesn't have the in-app purchases, because sometimes it'll have a watermark on it. So if you don't mind the watermark, that's okay. Other than that, you're just going to have to click on these and see if they have in-app purchases. You probably don't want to go with those. So I'm going to just click Get. And so it will automatically download. Now, in order to download from this store, you have to have a Microsoft license, which means your computer has to be licensed. So if it asks for a password, you have to put a password in. It will not let you download without knowing that you own the software on the computer. So it's installing. Now it will say launch. So the program is launching. So now here it will say create your first collage. Okay. And everything else is pretty much intuitive, very much like your iPhone.